Are you alone?
Yes, I'm alone.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
How is the weather?
It's sunny.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Do you like milk?
No, I don't.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Are you coming?
Yes, I'm coming.
Who is she?
I don't know.
Do you work here?
Yes, I do.
Are you full?
Yes, I am.
Is this your bike?
Yes, it's mine.
Have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Do you like cheese?
No, I don't.
Who is dancing?
I don't know.
Who is she?
She is Lucy.
Can you dance?
Sorry, I can't.
Do you like this coat?
No, I don't.
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
How are you?
I'm great.
Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Where's my box?
It's on the table.
How's the weather?
It's raining.
What is that?
It's a kite.
What's this?
It's an eraser.